Your emotion is your greatest enemy in trading. Okay, each time you're trying to go into the trading activities, all you need to do is to set your emotion aside and make sure you do the right thing. If you follow the instructions from the beginning to the end, out of every 10 trades you will be picking, you are most likely to be winning 8 trades successfully. So that is why your emotion is your greatest enemy, and you need to kill your emotion whenever you are trading. So guys, if you are joining me for the first time, or probably you are just going into the trading game, all you need to do is to watch this video to the end so that you will understand what I mean by you killing your emotion before you go fully into it. Okay, and of course guys, if you are joining me for the first time and you love the content you are getting from here, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and I will advise you to subscribe to this channel so that you can have a follow-up videos, training videos like this each time you wake up. Okay, and of course you can also join the Telegram channel, because right there I do give free trading tips and of course free trading signals, which you can also follow and make some good stuff for yourself right from there. At least it is a good way for you to get started. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. But if you want to know more about my trading tools, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Your emotion is one of your biggest enemy whenever it comes to trading. You don't apply or allow your emotion to take control of your trading activities, and in order to conquer this, that is why I have decided to follow a single pattern way of trading. Okay, and I created a lot of rules and regulations for myself, guiding me in whenever I am using this pattern. And what is the pattern I have been using? I've been using the same strategy for over a year, and because I'm so glued to this strategy, I also came up with a trading tool that can help me to analyze my assets easily before jumping into the trade, and that is the trading tool you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, guys, this strategy is called the trend trading strategy. I only need to follow the trend. That is what it means. If the trend the trend is in one direction and I decide to go the other way around, probably due to my emotion or wherever, then that means I am streaming. I am swimming against the current, and which means I can lose my money that way. So what do I need to do? I just need to identify the trend and follow the trend. And I'm going to explain further using our current chart. Okay, on the screen. Okay, this chart is a live chart. Every chart I will be showing in this video is a live chart, so I will be using it using the charts as an example. You can also follow up from your end so that we see what we get from here. Okay, so as you can see, right, okay, for you to follow the trend trading strategy and kill your emotion by doing this, okay, because the trend trading strategy helps you to kill your emotion if you follow the rules to the very end. Okay, so there are a few things you need to make sure you are able to identify on your chart. The first thing is you knowing the current trend of the markets you are trading. Then you knowing try to identify when the trend will switch from the current trend to the next trend. Then know your support and resistance zone. The reason why it is important for you to know your support and resistance zone, most especially the major ones, because these are the places where we are most likely to have a switching taking place between one trend to another. Then the fourth thing is you knowing your entry point and how to set your orders, which also include you using a good risk management system. Once you are able to do all these, then you are good to go. Now let's see this, guys. When this got to the resistance zone, okay, it was on uptrend before, and that is why we have this yellow color. And when we have the red color, it means means that it is on downtrend. Okay, so when it got to the resistance zone, you, of all the lessons, I mean trading lessons that you should know, most especially as a beginner, you should know that the best time for you to sell is when it gets to the major resistance zone, and the best time for you to buy is when it gets to the major support zones. Okay, so right there you should also know that there are two things that can happen from the resistance zone or from the support zone. It is either there is a breakout or a switch in the direction of the trend. So wow, I highlighted the resistance zone, and of course I was expecting it to either break out from there or probably it should switch into a downtrend. Try to go into a downtrend, but didn't go too far. Okay, this stage is meant for the early adopters. Okay, so, and of course after that it went back to retest the resistance zone again and switch over again because it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it switched back into a downtrend, and this is the time for you to jump into the trade. So we jumped into this trade at this point and we milked it to the very last. Okay, and of course the last one we did was we milking this support region. Okay, right here is the support region. It switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and it got to this level. Okay, TP 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in case you guys don't know, I love using from 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame because this helps me to trade on a particular trend for a very long time, and I milk the markets within that region, and this helps me to make a lot of money within that period. Okay, then thereafter it got to the resistance zone at this point, had a pullback, went back there again to retest it, exactly the same thing that happened around here, and of course it didn't break out above it, so this actually switched into a downtrend again, and it gave us an entry point. At this point you can see the red arrow, which is the entry point, and of course it sold till it got, right now it has gotten to the support zone. This is the current situation of the chart, okay, of this particular asset. It has gotten to the support region, and if you should notice, right there is also the support region which was respected. So I'm expecting it to go back into an uptrend right now, but of course we need it to switch first. Okay, so we are already preparing for the switching. Okay, this is most likely to be the entry point. Okay, but first we still need it to switch before we can say this is going to be the entry point. So when it switches, it's going to switch from this downtrend, this red color, to a yellow color, something like this or something like this. So you're going to see it, and it will give you a blue arrow, a blue colored arrow. Okay, and it's going to give you, which is your entry point for a buy. So you set up your buy order and set up your stop loss, and here are some highlighted TPs for myself. Okay, so I am actually waiting for that to happen. However, just like I said, there are two things that can happen from the support region or the resistance region. There can be breakouts from there too. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, it means it's still going to sell more, but if it does not, then there should be the switching. So we should prepare for the switching. So now let's check out other assets. So this is GainX 999. GainX 999 started an uptrend movement right from here, played around there for a while, but broke out above this resistance zone at this spot to get to this particular spot. It has got into a new resistance zone. Now let's check it on 1 hour time frame just for us to see, to have a clearer view of what is happening around here. Okay, so the here is a new resistance zone. It might pull back a bit just because we have more space, I mean more milking area at the top right here. So it's possible for it to, if it did not break out above this resistance zone fully, it can switch into a downtrend and sell for a while, and it can also pull back a while and go back to the resistance zone and break out above it to claim this area. Okay, so this is very, very important, so we should take note of that. So that is the power of trend trading strategy, guys. That is the power of trend trading strategy. If you are using trend trading strategy, you are most likely to make profit each time you go into the market. Now let's check out PayNext 1200. Check it out. PayNext 1200. I remember sometimes last week I gave us this particular analysis on PayNext 1200, and I said it's going to sell right from there. Check it out. It sold for a very long time. It sold for days, guys, and finally it got to this support zone. Try to buy a bit got to this resistance and switch back into a downtrend, and it is selling right now. We are expecting it to get to this region if it breaks out from here, because it is respecting this right now. If it breaks out from there, then it will get here, and if it breaks out from this support zone, then it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, we are most likely to see it buying to the top, to this resistance zone, and if it breaks out from there, then we have more opportunity to buy more. So keep an eye on it and see when it is fully buying, so that you can jump into the trade. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 99. Now you can see we are using the same trading strategy, just that we need to be disciplined with it. We need to make sure we follow instruction, and of course we need to make sure we have a good settings for our stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. This particular signal was actually dropped in the Telegram channel, and of course this should have been our entry point. But for those that are not having this trading indicator, this is where the signal was taken from, within the Telegram channel. The signal dropped in the Telegram channel. This is where it started from. Okay, this is the entry point. TP1 successfully achieved. TP2 successfully achieved. TP3 successfully achieved. TP4 successfully achieved. In my video about this analysis, about this signal, I told you that this is where the signal is stopping. However, if it breaks out from here, then it should get to TP5. As you can see, it is yet to break out from there. So it had a pullback, tried to go back up, was unable to do that, and of course it is still selling right now. If it should break out from this region, then it means that it's going to sell more. Okay, it means that it is going to sell more, so we should watch out for that. So for all the TPs achieved, congratulations to those that actually took out the TPs. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back up and try to achieve the 50 TP. So watch out for that, for those that miss the signals, so you can still take advantage of that. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend for a very long time. Tried to go back on uptrend at this support zone, but didn't go too far. Came back down again, then went up again and still came back down. But yesterday, I told you, I drew out this trend line. Okay, if you watch my video yesterday, I drew out this resistant trend line, and I told you if it should break out above it, then it's going to buy and achieve this TP. But if it should break out above this, then it should achieve this TP. As you can see, it achieved the first TP and it is yet to achieve the second TP, even though it is having a pullback right now. If it is done with the pullback, then it is most likely to go back up and see if it can touch this particular TP. But if it breaks out above this, then we have more buying opportunity around here. So you guys can keep an eye on it and see how you can be successful with this. Okay, so this is how trend trading strategy works. Okay, so once you understand the act of trend trading strategy, it will help you to kill your emotion. So if you are trading, the first thing you need to do is to kill your emotion, and the best way to kill your emotion is to use a strategy that works for you. This is a strategy that I have been using for over a year, and I created an indicator alongside with it, which helps me to do my analysis very well. And what do I need to do? I just need to know when the trend is switching, and of course I set up my trades, my entry points, where I am getting an entry point signal. Okay, and of course I placed my order at that point, and of course I set my stop loss also, which is very, very important, and I allow it to flow. Okay, I just allow it to flow. Sometimes I highlighted some TPs for myself, and sometimes I just allow it to flow and use my stop loss to trail it up till the very end of the trend. And it is as simple as that. And ever since I've been using this strategy, it has really helped me to achieve a lot. Not only me, but the members of my communities also have achieved a lot with it. Okay, so you too can also do the same thing from your end. All you just need to do is just to learn the strategy, practice with it very well on your demo account till you are able to master it before going to your real account. And if you need help in analyzing it better, you can come for the trading indicator. It is called 3M Trend Trading Indicator. All you just need to do is just for you to send message to me on WhatsApp, and I will explain to you how you can have it installed on your chart. And of course, right from there, you can go ahead and practice with it. I will be stopping right there. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. And of course, you can also join the Telegram channel. You're going to find the link in the description box. And of course, I will add it to the comment, to the pin down message in the comment section, okay? So that you can have easy access to it. Right there in the Telegram channel, I give free signals and of course, free trading tips, which you can take advantage of right from there. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.